Physics. For millions of people, just hearing the word brings back memories of confusing equations and exams they couldn't wait to finish. Sitting in those desks, staring at a board full of Greek letters, many students arrive at a quiet conclusion. They simply aren't smart enough to understand the material. Traditional education often emphasizes rote memorization and academic symbols. The focus becomes passing a test, pulling the subject away from the physical reality it is meant to describe. This struggle is often less about a lack of intelligence and more about how the subject is packaged and taught. Long before there were textbooks or formal laboratories, humans were intuitively observing the world every day. They watched the sky, studied the weather, and learned how objects moved. Early humans looked at a sudden bolt of lightning and naturally tried to identify the rules governing its behavior. Physics was never intended to be an abstract obstacle. In many ways, the modern classroom has simply taught the subject in reverse. Every child explores the physical world through play. When they stack blocks or drop toys, they are building an internal sense of mass, gravity, and momentum. Making sense of our environment is a basic human drive. The complexity of the subject often lies in the presentation, not the phenomena themselves. Imagine trying to learn a new language, but instead of practicing conversation, you are told to memorize an entire dictionary first. You are handed a list of definitions before you've ever heard a sentence spoken. This is how many students experience physics. They are given equations and asked to calculate without knowing what the numbers represent. In a standard math class, symbols are abstract. They exist as variables to be manipulated on a page. But in physics, those same symbols represent physical measurements. They stand for the speed of a falling apple, or the tension in a bridge cable, or the intense heat of a star. Starting with the math often strips away the context, turning a description of reality into a frustrating technical puzzle. Professional physicists approach problems differently. They rarely begin their work with an equation. Instead, they use what they call toy models. These are highly simplified mental frameworks designed to strip away real-world messiness and isolate the core mechanics of a system. Scientists build a conceptual story first. They focus on the most essential moving parts before adding complexity. They look at what changes and what stays the same long before they consider using mathematics to measure those relationships. In actual scientific practice, equations are secondary tools. They are only useful once the underlying physical story is understood. Newton's second law of motion provides a clear example of how this conceptual approach works for anyone. In a classroom, you would be presented with F equals ma. Without context, it is just a string of symbols. Now consider the physical effort needed to push a shopping cart that is filled to the brim with heavy groceries. You intuitively know that a heavy cart requires more force to speed up than an empty one. That immediate physical understanding is the exact definition of Newton's second law. Physicists call this an anchor equation. F equals ma is simply a shorthand code for the real-world behavior you already recognize. The equation does not create the rules of the universe. It provides a label for a truth you have already experienced. Shifting the focus from calculation to observation allows you to see connections that symbols alone can hide. When mathematics is used to describe rather than define, physics reveals the recurring patterns shared by vastly different environments. You can see these patterns in the mechanics of a crashing wave as it interacts with the shore. The same principles of fluid dynamics and motion guide a rocket as it overcomes atmospheric resistance to reach orbit. Mastery of the math is a specific skill, but understanding the story of the universe is something anyone can do. Approaching the subject through curiosity offers a different starting point than the rigid pressure that often creates classroom anxiety. A conceptual approach highlights the inherent order of the physical world, making the rules of reality visible to anyone who looks. The next time you see something move, remember that the story always comes before the mathematics. If this helped you see physics differently, like the video and share it with someone who struggled with the subject in school. And subscribe to SpotEd for more. We will continue to explore the truths hidden behind everyday science. Until next time, stay curious.